Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Infinity Motivation. Today we are going to tell about the quotes of Bill Gates. Here are 10 Bill Gates quotes every business owner needs to hear, from running a company to being a good person overall. Bill Gates is a businessman, philanthropist and co-founder of the Microsoft Corporation. Not only known just for his incredible contributions to technology, Gates is also recognized for his generosity and wisdom. Bill Gates frequently talks about the need for constant self-improvement. It's important to have people in our lives who will give us honest, constructive feedback. This is the only way we can grow and become better. Everybody wants to be successful, but Gates understood that there are dangers that come with success. Success can cause you to become complacent and neglect the things that made you successful in the first place. We can only improve so much on our own, which is why we need a coach or a mentor to help us. This is the best way to ensure you're continuing to live up to your full potential. We all have unique gifts and our own ways of contributing to the greater good. By trying to copy someone else, you're shortchanging yourself and depriving the world of all you have to offer. Bill Gates recognized that problems were really opportunities and ways to improve. And, in business, unhappy customers have the most to teach you about how you can improve your products and services. Most people want to be wealthy, but past a certain point, money isn't going to increase your happiness or add more meaning to your life. Television often makes starting and running a business seem easy and exciting, but it's a lot of hard work. Gates understands that even the most challenging problems have solutions and that if you're in a position to help other people, then you should do so. That's why he and his wife Melinda donated over $36 million to charity. Most people want to be wealthy, but past a certain point, money isn't going to increase your happiness or add more meaning to your life. That's why Gates continues to give away much of his wealth to charitable contributions. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of success, but success on its own has very little to teach you. It's important to pay attention to your failures and learn from them going forward. To stay on top of all the news impacting your small business, go here for all of our latest small business news and updates. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job. Because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. I really had a lot of dreams when I was a kid, and I think a great deal of that grew out of the fact that I had a chance to read a lot. I agree with people like Richard Dawkins that mankind felt the need for creation myths. Before we really began to understand disease and the weather and things like that, we sought false explanations for them. Now science has filled in some of the realm, not all, that religion used to fill.